Richfield and our program specifically is so child-centered, and that makes it amazing.
We're a smaller district and we really take care of each other.
I just love this building and I loved sending my kids here for preschool.
With the Richfield school system, we were welcomed with complete open arms.
We truly believe the preschool teachers care about our kids and their well-being and their development.
I like my teacher. My favorite teacher is Teacher Rachel.
My daughter is so comfortable with the staff, which is big. As a parent with kids with special needs, you look for that.
We have administration, leadership, as well as teachers who truly know early childhood development, along with a lot of people who have a psychology background. I work closely with our early childhood coordinator to make sure that our children in our community are included in all parts of schooling.
All of our learners have different abilities, but we all try to make and create relationships with all the students.
My favorite thing is playing and eating. I like playing.
We have a full hour of uninterrupted play, so children really get an opportunity to dive into their interests and make new friends, interact with peers.
At times there are teacher-directed activities where we will focus on a specific skill that's needed or to help extend some learning that we've been doing in previous work.
We are able to get to know each student and their subtleties of what they need.
It's not business-oriented, but it's child need-oriented. So if a student needs something, they're going to get what they need to feel success.
And our teachers are really all about the social emotional development of children, which is the most important thing at this age. It's really about getting kids ready to be around other kids. It's getting kids ready to know what school is all about and feel safe at school and feel heard at school.
In many classrooms, we have teachers who are speaking different languages, and so kids are being immersed into opportunities to see other kids with all abilities, have kiddos who are not yet using language and how to interact with them. So the inclusivity of it also is really, really powerful.
It sets up this amazing foundation that I hope gets to be built upon in Richfield Public Schools as the years progress so that they can grow up to become, really thoughtful, amazing, self-aware humans.
I want to grow up a teacher. I want to be a baby.
You want to be a baby?
Yes. I want to grow up. I want to be a digger for diamonds for my mommy. I want to grow up and I want to have a girlfriend. When I grow up, I'll be a police officer.
Children can enroll birth through 3 for early childhood family education, and then preschool starts at age 3.
We always leave with a story. We always leave with many, many smiles. So it's a pretty special place.
We want you here, we want your child here, and we're going to do whatever we can to make them successful.